My name is Jiajun Xu. I'm a faculty of mechanical engineering here at UTC. Today I'm going to show you the equipment available in the Thermofluids lab, and I give the permission to record this video. So when we enter the Thermofluids lab, so this is the pressure measurement bench. This one allows the students to learn about the manometer and the burden gauges as a fundamental pressure measuring devices. So students can practice with different configurations to learn the pressure measurement. And over here on the left, you will see the system we use to teach students about saturated water vapor. So this station allows us to show how the temperature of the water behaves at its boiling temperature and how it varies with the different absolute pressure. This equipment has this rectangle pipe loop incorporated with a boiler and vertical limb. So it allows us to show the pressure measurement safely to the students. And over here, this is a station that allows us to teach students about linear heat conduction. This control station underneath have the thermocouple interface to measure different temperature point inside that conduction loop. And over here, this is a combined convection and radiation test loop, allow us to teach the student about convection heat transfer and also radiation heat transfer. And this is the flow measurement apparatus. As you see here, this has a horizontal pipe and includes venturi meter and the orifice plate and the pressure tappings. And this elbow here connects the pipe to the rotometer and with further pressure tappings. So, the pressure tapping connects to the manometer held on this vertical panel behind this pipe. When water, this system works with the hydraulic bench, which as you see right now is sitting on, and water from the hydraulic bench will flow through the venturi meter and through the sudden enlargement and go through a settling lens and then the orifice plate and then flow around the elbow and through the rotometer and then the flow control valve. And finally returning to the hydraulic bench. So the control valve is downstream and doesn't cause any upstream turbulence. So by adjusting this water level in the manometer tubes, a student can connect to the pump and to measure the flow using the in combination with the hydraulic bench and noting the manometer level and the rotometer reading in order to learn how they can utilize with the Brownian equation to understand the mass flow rate through each of the meters and compare different flow rate measured using this hydraulic bench. And over here, this is a sink we use to provide the water and dump the wastewater. And also over here, this is a workbench allows sitting on top of that different measuring cup and also safety glass for students to use in the lab. And also you can see the gas supplies and the vacuum supply. And over here, this is a pipe friction test rig. Basically, it allows us to students to measure the friction over different fluid inside this vertical test pipe. And over here, as you can see, this is the apparatus designed to produce and measure the characteristics of the free and forced vortices using the hydraulic bench you have seen earlier. So this apparatus contains this clear cylinder and also to measure and produce and measure the free and the forced vortices. And the free vortex is generated by the water discharging through this orifice in the base of the cylinder. And the resulting profile will be measured using the combined caliper and the depth scale. For the forced vortex is introduced by a paddle in the base of the cylinder, and which is rotated by jets of water. So students can learn both of them in using this equipment. So that's it for the equipment we use for the Thermofluids lab. Thank you for watching.